Okay, so now I'm going to go over Phonics PL 132 using adverbs. So some of you received worksheets that have the clownfish, and some of you received the worksheets that have the seahorse. And just normally, just as normal, the front and both worksheets are the same, and the backs are just going to be a little different. So on the front, you use these color words to finish these sentences. Just make sure they make sense. Down here, circle the adverbs. So you have these sentences and you circle the adverbs. For the clownfish, on the back, you're going to choose an adverb from the word bank that describes the verb in each blank. Make sure the adverbs make sense for each sentence. You can use each adverb more than once. On the back of the seahorses, you're going to choose these adverbs from the word bank to create 5 sentences. Make sure the adverbs make sense for each sentence, and you can use each adverb more than once. So we have these numbers here, so you're going to be writing the 5 sentences. And what you're going to do is you use these words: slowly, loudly, quickly, quietly, kindly, and softly. I'm not too worried about spelling as long as these words are spelled correctly, since you have them right in front of you. Make sure there's capital letters in the front and punctuation at the end. So I won't need to go over answers for the back of seahorses, just because you're writing your own sentences. If you've not had a chance to watch the video, you can pause here and watch the video for this lesson, but now I'm going to go over this worksheet. So it says, using adverbs, use the color words below to finish each sentence. I like to eat blank bananas. So green bananas would work. Yellow bananas would work. I don't know of any bananas would be any other color. Number 2, this morning I combed my blank hair. Number 3, the little blank door next door is friendly, and any of these would probably work. Probably not green. I don't know of many green or blue or purple dogs. Number 4, I like my blank shirt the best. So pretty much any of those would work. Probably not blonde though, because blonde is normally hair. Then down here, circle the adverbs. So number 1, my dog loudly barks. How did my dog bark? Oops, loudly. Number 2, we laughed loudly at the joke. So how did we laugh? Loudly. Number 3, the sun quickly warmed the ground. How did the sun warm the ground? Quickly. Number 4, our caterpillars are quickly growing. How are they growing? Quickly. Number 5, Dad laughs uproariously. How does Dad laugh? Uproariously. Okay, on the back of clownfish, we walked blank to school. So we could do slowly, loudly, quickly, quietly. I don't know about kindly. Kindly may not make sense. Softly might make sense. Our pastor talks slowly, loudly, quickly, quietly, kindly, softly. Any of those would work. Our cat meows slowly, loudly, quickly, quietly. I don't know. Kindly might work. Maybe not. Softly. Her sister runs blank at track. Slowly could work. Loudly, I don't know if you could run loudly. Maybe you can if you're huffing and puffing. Quickly, quietly, I don't know. Kindly may not work for that. Softly may not work for that. My brother talks blank at dinner every night. Slowly, loudly, quickly, quietly, kindly, and softly. Any of those could work. All right, so that's your phonics for today.